Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. So in this video we are going to see job opportunities for chemical graduate, electrical graduate and mechanical graduate. So name of the company is um, just a minute. So it's a Ordnance Factory Recruitment. You can see the official website here. So this is the official website of the company. So I will be providing the link in the description. So I also provide the PDF also. So engagement of engineering graduate and technician and diploma holder for a 1 year apprenticeship training at high explosive factory for the year 2022 to 23. So they are recruiting mainly in Pune, and you have to propose so those who have passed out after April 2020 in the branch of chemical, mechanical and electrical can apply for it. And for engineering graduate, chemical, electrical, mechanical 1 year training period. For diploma also chemical, electrical, mechanical 1 year training period. And number of seats is given here. For general 5, SC, ST 1 and OBC 3 seats. So you will be getting a stipend of if you are a engineering graduate means you will be getting a stipend of 9,000 per month. If you are a diploma candidate means you will be getting a stipend of 8,000 per month. And any Indian citizen who have degree or diploma in engineering in chemical, electrical, mechanical can apply for this job. And candidates who have already registered or undergoing or undergone the apprenticeship cannot apply again. So age of the candidate should be between 18 to 25 as on date of application. And selection procedure is all candidates have to upload their final mark in the percentage only and not in CGPA. If the marks are in CGPA means then you have to convert into percentage and upload in your application. And candidates applications of the candidates whose marks are in CGPA will be rejected. So eligible candidates can apply via report, and date and time of document verification is between 7/4/2022 and 8/4/2022 at 8:30 a.m. and venue will be high explosive factory near Holkar Bridge, Pune. So how to apply? They clearly given here. The opening date of application is 15/2 and last closing date will be 3/4. So these are the steps to apply. So even if the last date is also over, also you just apply for it. But sometimes they will accept it. So no need to worry and just follow all the instruction. If you feel this video is useful means kindly share the video to electrical, chemical and mechanical graduate. They will be making the best use of it. And kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be providing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Stay tuned with our channel Mechanical Motivator.